What if we told you that there was a type of steel that is not only incredibly strong, but also able to withstand high levels of stress without cracking or breaking? That's where 1144 Stressproof steel comes in. 1144 steel is a carbon steel that contains about 0.44% carbon. It also has small amounts of other elements like manganese and sulfur. But what sets 1144 steel apart is the designation Stressproof. This means that the steel has been subjected to a special heat treatment process that gives it exceptional strength and toughness. During the heat treatment process, the steel is heated to a specific temperature and then rapidly cooled. This process creates a microstructure that makes the steel resistant to bending, cracking, and breaking under high levels of stress. This makes 1144 Stressproof steel ideal for applications where strength and toughness are critical, such as in automotive parts, hydraulic cylinders, and machine components. At advanced grinding, we take this exceptional steel and turn it into precision ground 1144 Stressproof steel round bars. Our centerless grinding process ensures that each bar is ground to tight tolerances for a precise fit in your application. So if you're looking for the strongest, toughest, and most reliable steel for your next project, choose Advanced Grinding's Precision Ground 1144 Stressproof steel round bars. Contact us today to learn more.